The last stop on the island is Bradenton Beach, where the perfect beachside bar just happens to be. Beach House Waterfront Restaurant is so much more than just a bar. They were just awarded the Platinum Award for Best Anna Maria Restaurant, voted by the people, which is a big deal. When dining at Beach House, diners get a sustainable and locally sourced menu. Let's get a little taste of some of the items on the menu, shall we? Cheese and charcuterie, fried calamari, shrimp and grits, Beach House burger. For those who want to take a piece of the Beach House home, the restaurant features its own gift shop. I'm a sucker for a good vacation souvenir. And they don't just have one bar, they have two. Let's head over to the sunset deck. This is one of the largest Gulf front patios on Florida's west coast. 650 feet, to be exact. This deck is a state-of-the-art, climate-controlled deck, so guests can enjoy outdoor dining any time of the year.
I mean, what more could you want besides food and drinks, looking at sunset on the beach?
Okay, I gotta find Darius. He's just one of the many talented bartenders here tonight.
Hey, Colleen, welcome back. What are we thinking today?
Hi, Darius. Let's start with a toasted coconut Mai Tai.
Great choice.
Toasted coconut Mai Tai. This drink consists of Siesta Key toasted coconut rum, a French orange liqueur, orgeat syrup, and topped with a dark rum floater.
All right, and here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
So what are you thinking about? Switching it up a little bit?
I've never tried the blood orange Paloma.
Great choice, great choice.
Blood orange Paloma. This cocktail starts off with your favorite tequila, blood orange liqueur, grapefruit juice, lime juice, and a splash of soda water. The finishing touch being that smoked salt rim.
It's a great choice. The blood orange Paloma is a very refreshing citrus-forward drink. Enjoy.
Round two. There's no real blood in here, right? I'm just kidding.
All right, Colleen, we thinking about a third?
I'm not quite sure. What do you recommend?
I have a great drink for you. It's the Dr. Honeydew. I think you'll love it.
You had me at Honeydew. Dr. Honeydew. It starts with a top-shelf vodka, complemented by the sweet tang of raspberry liqueur and zesty lemonade. Indulge in the burst of flavor as you savor frozen melon balls in every sip.
All right, here you go. You got to tell me what you think about that.
Tastes like summer.
Awesome.
You're the best.
Thank you.
Time to do a little mingling. She looks fun. Cheers.
The Beach House is the absolutely best place to get a drink. And the bartenders here rock.
Okay, Jennifer, let's take those dance moves to the beach. It's almost time for the big show. If you haven't seen the sunset off of the Gulf of Mexico, you're in for a treat. Say cheese. What a perfect way to end the night.